Fernando saw study Opus 60 number 1. Focus, right hand, I am balance, voicing and tone control. Welcome to your first true taste of Fernando Saw's Opus 60, which is one of the most beloved etude collections in the classical guitar world. In study number 1, we work on the fundamentals that define expressive classical guitar playing. Evenness between index and middle fingers, the I am alternation. Controlling tone by playing close to the sound hole. Highlighting melodic lines subtly within arpeggios. Practicing left hand economy and smooth transitions. Shaping dynamics expressively, even when they're not written. If you've ever wondered where to begin with Fernando Saw, this is the perfect entry point. Study number 1 from Opus 60 may look simple, but it lays the groundwork for everything that comes later. Right hand control, balance, and a touch of musical refinement. It's not about playing fast, it's about playing beautifully. This lesson is part of Book 1 of the Essential Collection, which is my 2-year guided course for classical guitar, featuring 52 iconic studies by the masters from beginner to intermediate. Aguado, Carulli, Carcassi and Saw. Notation plus tab included. Study duration. Spend about 2 weeks on each piece to gradually build your technique and expression. Got questions? Drop them in the comments because I'll respond personally. Subscribe for more classical guitar studies, tips and lesson walkthroughs.